When I arrived in Vicksburg about 2 weeks ago, the river here behind us was well out. In fact, this old railroad station, you could still walk to it, and the water was well behind. What you see here is the muraled seawall. They were in the process at that point of building the temporary wooden seawall to keep the water from coming up into the city. It's supposed to crest tomorrow on the 19th, Thursday the 19th. So it's going to come up a little bit more, and that is, of course, it's going to affect even more people here in Vicksburg and all up and down the river.
Well, when we first heard about the flood, it was probably 2 weeks prior to the 25th of April, and the projected flooding was supposed to have been about 53.5 feet. That's going to get at my house, you know. And my brothers was going to wait until that Tuesday to move me. He said, "Sis, I don't think we can wait. We need to move now because the house been elevated. It's kind of hard getting furniture out in the water." The evacuation for us was really easy because of the fact that we had already decided that we would move the furniture out of the house because we knew water would probably get in the house. This was before they started blocking off the street or forcing evacuation. After we moved out, which was like that Tuesday, May 3rd, I went back out on Wednesday and Thursday, and by Friday it was like pretty high. I did not go back again until Monday of this week, and I knew water was in my house, you know, and I didn't want to go back after the end.
Here in Warren County, we've got over 2,000 people who have been displaced and are no longer in their homes, and we want to make sure all of those folks are getting our message that they should register for FEMA assistance so that we can begin to help them.